Hello guys, at last we are at the point that I have created all the videos that I wanted in order to create this video, how to scale your Facebook ads actually. We first started with a video which was all about how to do your settings and how to set up your pixel and everything. This was the first step. We created later the audience research, which is also important to find your interest. Of course, we have created a video about CBO and ABO, why you should use CBO campaigns and why it's going to help you scale. Then we created dynamic creative ads, okay, and the ads that are going to show you how to actually be able to do ads in a more professional way and having more options and having dynamic creative for your creatives in order to pick the best one. And this is also what it's going to help you to scale. A lot of times Facebook representatives or whatever, this is something that we have done in another video, they talk about consolidation of ads or not doing a lot of ads. This is not going to help you scale because it's too risky for you to put all your money in just one ad set. And of course we discussed about creating several ad sets within campaigns, and I have created a video also on how to optimize a CBO campaign with all of those in order for you to have better profits. Then we also discussed about other methods like my Blender method and other methods like how to use the lookalike audiences and of course your retargeting campaigns. And then it was the point that we introduced also to our discussion the crazy method, which is the method that is actually going to help you scale more and more and more. A blend of all of these is going to help you scale along with your experience and you doing them, testing them. Some of those are going to work, some of those are not. Maybe all of them are going to work, which is going to be good. But at the end of the day now, by watching all of these videos, you have the tools in order for you to start experimenting in your account, knowing in a technical level how to move and how to scale your business. Of course, scaling means that you have some initial success, okay? If you don't have any success, there is no scale. If you have some results though, these are the campaigns that are going to help you continue, move on, do ads in a more professional way, and also have the ads that you need in order for you to scale your business. Of course, it's not going to be an easy road, it's going to be a bumpy road, but now you have the tools to test, to experiment, and also start working with your account and with your skills in order to get the proper experience. If you don't want to do your ads, there are always the options of agencies or experts like me. But at the end of the day, I think that you need to know all of that, okay? You need to know that there are options. You need to know how to think about Facebook ads in order to be able to actually have good discussions with the people that are going to do your ads. Or if you're like me and you like to do your own ads, it's going to help you, I think, a lot, you know, to have something else from someone else who is using all of these strategies across several accounts and they are working perfectly. So I'm very happy. It's the end of a big circle of master videos, which is now completed, and you have all the tools that you needed. And I'm going to see you in the future episodes for all the other things that I'm going to try to teach you in this channel. Thank you very much for the support so far, and I will keep producing.